Here we have a scatter plot of shots versus goals in the NHL.
We found our data from mathstone.weebly.com. They are NHL preseason statistics from 2011 that show the ratio of shots taken and goals scored from 30 different teams.
Shots taken is X value, and goals scored is Y value. Why? The number of goals you score in hockey depends on the number of shots you take.
First, we put the data points from the data table into a scatter plot. We found the domain and range of the data and used this information to find the scale of the graph. Next, we found the middle point by finding the average of each the X and Y values and marked that point on the graph with an X. We estimated the best fit line using this point. The slope looked like it was 1/3, but due to the scale of the graph, it was 2/30. We plugged the middle point and slope into a point-slope equation. From there, we converted the equation to slope-intercept form.
First, put the data in a table in Excel and highlight the data with your mouse. Then go to Insert along the top of the page and select Scatter under Graphs. The chart should pop up. To add in Axis Titles, go to Chart Tools, Layout, and then Axis Titles. To find a best fit line, right-click on any one of the points in the scatter plot and then click Add Trend Line. In the menu, select Linear and make sure to check off the bottom two boxes. When you click Cancel, the linear regression equation and R squared should appear on the scatter plot along with the trend line.
The y-intercept is 3.95. The x-intercept is -47.76. Neither of these provide valuable information in a real-world application.
The slope is 2/30. In the real world, this slope represents that the players score 2 goals for every 30 shots they take, which can be simplified to 1 goal for every 15 shots.
The manual equation was y equals 0.07x plus 7.27. The Excel equation was y equals 0.08x plus 3.95. The two equations are fairly close to each other, but we assume that the Excel equation is more accurate because our manual equation was based on a best fit line that was estimated.
How many goals would you score if you took 250 shots in the preseason? To solve this equation, substitute 250 for x. We're using the Excel equation for accuracy. Multiply 0.08 by 250 and add 3.95 to have an answer of 23.95. However, because the solution set only contains integers, we round up to 24 goals.
How many shots would you have to take to score 30 goals? To solve this equation, substitute 30 for y. Subtract 3.95 from both sides and then divide both sides by 0.08. The answer is 325.63, but round up to the nearest integer of 326.